AI is transforming construction and real estate, reshaping how buildings are designed, constructed, and managed. This revolution is crucial for industry professionals to understand, as early adopters will lead the market. AI streamlines project management by optimizing schedules and resources. Real-time tracking and predictive analytics prevent costly delays, improving project completion times by 15 to 25%. This video is brought to you by Business Compass LLC. We are an Amazon Web Services advanced consulting partner and Well Architect partner. We have certification distinction. We build and migrate workloads to Amazon Cloud. We are partners with Azure, Google Cloud, Databricks, Snowflake, Salesforce.com, Trend Micro, and Prevail. We specialize in data and analytics, A&ML, Gen AI, web and app development. Our AI offering is AIFORUU. Check out a4u.cloud. We provide wide range of natural language processing or NLP services infused with Gen AI for language and document to offer multimodal capabilities. We have concept to code offering to translate ideas to products fast. See concept2code.ai. Our website is businesscompassllc.com. Our phone numbers are 973-638 and 2228. Our email address is contact@businesscompassllc.us. Generative AI creates optimized building designs quickly. 3D modeling and visualization enhance collaboration, while rapid prototyping allows for efficient design iterations. Robotic automation handles repetitive tasks with precision. AI-driven safety systems reduce workplace injuries by up to 60%, and predictive maintenance minimizes equipment downtime. AI enhances tenant screening and lease management. Predictive maintenance reduces costs and prevents disruptions, while energy efficiency is optimized through smart building systems. Automated property valuation provides instant, accurate results. Market trend prediction identifies investment opportunities early, and customer behavior analysis improves sales strategies. AI optimizes materials and reduces waste by 20–30%. Carbon footprint tracking aids in achieving sustainability goals, and smart building systems ensure long-term efficiency. AI tools are proven and ready to transform your projects. Companies that adopt AI now will gain a competitive edge. Explore AI technologies to enhance profitability and efficiency. By embracing AI, you'll streamline operations, reduce costs, and lead in innovation. Start integrating AI into your projects today to secure a successful future. Join the AI revolution in construction and real estate. Implement AI solutions to stay ahead and maximize your project's potential. Let's transform the industry together.